This session we are going to see about functional units and basic operations of computer. Let's start the session. First of all, let's see what is the abbreviation of COA. It is Computer Organization and Architecture. It is the complete study of internal working of the computer system, and it is nothing but it is the combination of hardware unit and its execution with the instruction, and the instructions are written in the assembly language. So it is a combined of instruction set. For executing a program, the instruction should be executed. The instructions are combinations of instruction sets. The execution of instruction set in a specific manner is known as computer architecture. Let us see what are the functional units of computer. In this, the basic 5 functional units are namely input unit, output unit, memory, ALU, and control unit. As usual, this is the basic functional unit of the computer diagram, and the input unit is nothing but this is used for getting the inputs to the system, and from starting the standard input devices is keyboard. And apart from this, we are having multiple input devices, example mouse, joystick, and microphone, pen, scanner, etc. And output device is nothing but this is used to display the output after executing the program, and the standard output device is monitor. Apart from this, there are multiple output devices such as monitor, printer, speaker, plotter, LCD displays, etc. And memory unit is nothing but it is used to store the program, and it is used to store the data. For executing, memory unit is much more important in a system. The basic classifications of memory is primary and secondary memory. The primary memory is known as the main memory, which is present inside the computer. All these programs, data, and instruction sets are stored into the primary memory. Then the primary memory is classified into three types. It is main memory, cache memory, and register memory. Main memory is nothing but it is the RAM, and it is used for storing all the programs, data, etc. within the system. And ROM is a volatile memory, and ROM is a non-volatile memory. RAM is a volatile memory, whereas volatile memory loses the contents when the power is not available, and non-volatile memory will not lose its contents even though when the power is off. This is the difference between RAM and ROM. RAM stands for random access memory, and ROM stands for read-only memory. And there are two categories of RAM. One is static RAM, another one is dynamic RAM. Whereas the static RAM, the data are not changeable, and in dynamic RAM there is gradual difference in dynamic random access memory, and it is comparatively slower than static RAM. And ROM, there are multiple classifications of ROM. For example, PROM, EPROM, whereas programmable read-only memory, erasable programmable read-only memory, and EEPROM, etc. EEPROM stands for electrically erasable programmable read-only memory. And finally, cache memory. Cache memory is nothing but this is the temporary memory which is used to store the data which is processed by the ALU. And register memory. The register memory is nothing but these are the general purpose register which are in the processors, which is used to store the data of the program which is currently getting executed. And the secondary memory is nothing but these are the memories which are used as an backing up devices. So it is also known as auxiliary memory, and as said, this is an non-volatile memory. The contents will not be lost even the power is not available. And ALU stands for arithmetic and logical unit, in which we can perform all the operations within the system. And control unit is nothing but it coordinates the overall execution of the system with the help of generating control signals. And the control signals only directs the system what operations to be performed for the specific instruction or program. Thus these are the 5 functional units of the computer.